If you have watched my previous video on AUDCAD, then hopefully you're on a good profit right now. If you have not, then don't need to worry. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I'll be analyzing this chart for Monday, 1st June. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and as you can see, I'm in the Forex time frame. And if you have watched my previous videos, then you cannot deny the fact that we have got plenty of opportunities, and yes, we have made good money also. Because see, the chart is very simple in case of AUDCAD. Because if we just look at the chart, then there is no denial, no doubt that market is in plain simple downtrend. And as we all know, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or a range bound market. Because in a downtrend market, our duty is simple. Whenever market will be going up, we will just wait for the opportunity to short the market. Okay, and this type of markets are called sell on rise market. Okay, sell on rise market. See, because see, whenever market was going up, okay, whenever market trying to go up, it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average. So the best trading opportunity was to when market was reverting or reversing from the 50 moving average, it was the easy opportunity to short the market. It was the it was easy. Okay, and as I always say, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, area of value in a market. Okay, whether it is an uptrend market, downtrend market, doesn't matter. If you want to trade, then always look for the area of value. And in an uptrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity will be near the support. Okay, you should always go for buying near the support in an uptrend market, whereas in a downtrend market like this, you should always look for the area of value or the trading opportunity near the resistance. And in this case, we can clearly see that 50 moving average is acting as a resistance. Okay, so hopefully you have understood that your duty is to short the market at the resistance. Okay, now let's look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart once and see how the weekly chart is doing. If we look at the weekly chart, we are getting the same picture that market is downtrend and market is kind of heavy oversold. Okay, market is heavily oversold. We can see that market is heavily oversold since April and almost May is finished. So for 2 months, market is in oversold zone. Therefore, there is a possibility that market will bounce. Okay, and the position where the market will bounce is this level. Let me show you. This is the weekly chart. Okay, in the weekly chart you can see that there was and there is a support available at this price level, and the price level is this. Now 0.9246, you can clearly see on the screen. This is the price level market is having support. And see, considering the two factors, okay, considering the two factors, that market is heavily oversold and market is heavily oversold since April. For 2 months market is in oversold zone. Therefore, there's a good amount of possibility that market will reverse now. Market will try to go up. If not reversal, market will at least try to go up. So our first level or the first key level in this chart is this level, 0.9246 level. So let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should we do now, right? Or what should be a strategy. Sorry, I am unable to manage this call out level. Okay, so this is the level. Okay, actually I am very new with this stuff. So please don't mind. Okay, So our first and foremost duty is to let the market open on Monday and just see where the price goes. Okay, if you see that price is going up, okay, price is going up, then just observe the price when it will hit the 50 moving average, because the 50 moving average is coming from upside. So observe the price at the 50 moving average. I cannot give you the exact value right now, see, because 50 moving average or the moving average or the trend lines are dynamic support and resistances. There is no exact figure for dynamic support and resistances. Okay, so you just need to observe the market for this. So if market goes up after market opening on Monday, just observe the price, how the price reacts. If you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, it is forming shooting star kind of a pattern or a red candles like this, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market, and you can short the market. You can short the market at the 50 moving average. Okay, and do remember one thing, we have a support also. Okay, right now we have a support also, so this will be your take profit target, 0.9256 or 0.9260. Okay, 0.9260. So this will be your take profit target if you short the market at the 50 moving average. And looking at the overall pattern of the chart, I can assure you one thing, that if you short the market at 50 moving average, market will not come down sharply to the support level. Okay, so in case you get nervous, okay, then you can come out in the middle. Okay, you can come out by in the middle at around this level also. Okay, at around 0.9300 level you can come out. Okay, at this level you do not need to keep your heartbeat very high. Okay, but you may get an opportunity if market hit the 50 moving average and reverses from there, you'll get an opportunity to short the market. Okay, and you can just keep your stop loss below above the 50 moving average. That's it. Okay, it totally depends on your risk appetite. But do remember one thing, that okay, if you get nervous, okay, because market will not come down sharply straight on a straight line, you can come out at this level. On the other hand, just remember one thing, this is your ultimate target, 0.9256 level. Okay. So wait for the market to go up. When it will reverse from 50 moving average, you can short the market. On the other hand, if market starts coming down, then you do not need to short the market. Okay, because see, market will open on Monday. Okay, after the market opening on Monday, okay, let's say after the opening market starts coming down, and then let the market settle. You need to observe the price also, you'll have to understand the chart also. For that you cannot short the market right away. Okay, and when the market will around this level, and there is no point of shorting the market, because we have already seen that market has got support at this level. So wait for the market to come down to a support level. Okay, wait for the market come down support level, and when market will hit the support level, just observe the price. If you see that this support level is still valid, market is having price rejection from below, market is forming hammer kind of pattern, market is forming green candles like this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this support is still valid, the support from the weekly chart is still valid, and you can go for buy order. And just keep your overall trend is towards the downside, therefore keep your stop loss tight. Okay, you can take a small risk of buying at this level. Okay, and if you want to avoid, if you want to observe the market, then you can wait for 1 day or 2 days. If you want to take risk at this price level of buying it, you can go for a buy, but it totally depends on you. Okay, if you ask me, Avilash, what should I do, then I'll say that if you are an experienced trader, if you can afford to lose some money, or if you can afford to take some risk, then you can look for buying opportunity at this level, or else wait for the market to hit the 50 moving average. When it will reverse, you can short the market. That is for the beginners and a kind of safe trade. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood how you need to trade and how you what you need to observe on Monday. So thank you so much, all the best, take care.